Welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how the guys can fix their condition impacts 401 error. So if you're facing this error, then whenever you try to open or condition impact or launch your game is just gonna say 401 error. So there's multiple ways to fix this problem. So I'm going to be going through those step by step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for a YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's jump into the video now, shall we? First step is make sure you turn off your antivirus on your laptop, because sometimes due to that antivirus things like Genshin impact as a virus and tries to block it. So try to turn it off. You can search on YouTube on how you guys can turn off your antivirus software on your laptop, because different laptop, there's different types of antivirus software. You can search it. You can just search for how to stop antivirus on Windows, they'll teach you if it even didn't work. After doing that, then make sure to turn on that antivirus on again, because you need to turn that on in order to protect yourself from virus. Alright, I only said that in order to try it, because in some cases turning that off work. But even after doing that didn't work, then make sure to delete against an impact and reinstall it again. And even after deleting and reinstalling a donation impact in your work. When you reinstall Organization Impact, make sure your Donation Impact folder is saved on the same folder where your Condition Impact launcher is. So if you do not know when to install Genshin Impact, first you need to install the Donation Impact launcher. And when you're saving, or like when you're installing the Donation Impact folder, make sure you install it on the same folder where you can issue an Impact launcher. So let me show you how we guys can find that folder. So you can right-click on Donation Impact, click on Open File Location. So this is the location where my Condition Impact launcher is stored, as you guys can see. So basically, if you want to see where Genshin Impact is stored, you can click on this little settings icon, scroll a bit down one, find game files, and it's going to show you where you're going to see an impact data store. So as you guys can see, my Genshin Impact data is stored on the same file as my Genshin Impact is, so I don't have any problem. We also need to do that. Make sure when you're installing Impact install it in the same folder where Genshin the back launcher is, and this problem should be fixed. So that's how we guys can fix Genshin Impact 401 error. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.